Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Statement Box. So this is a newer subscription, and every month they send you a pair of Statement earrings. What's cool about it is you can cancel or skip any month, and you know ahead of time what you're getting if you follow them on social media. So you get like a little sneak peek in case it's something you don't want. You can skip that month. And this costs $16. And let's see what came in it. Those are cute. So they're gold with some little pink tassels on them. They're not too heavy. That's what they look like. And they look nicely done too. They're really tightly braided here and sewn on there. And they have a traditional little backing to them that's gold. So that's cute. I thought this was a nice little subscription box. Different change of pace. In case you're really into jewelry or accessories, you can get a new pair each month. So I will go ahead and put all their information below, link their social media, all that fun stuff. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.